Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to off notification individually in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Press on your menu. Here you can see notifications. Press on this. If you want to off your notification, you just have to turn on the button. Select your time. Or if you want to off your notification individually, you just have to select the item. Select your off option. That's it. So this is how to off notification individually in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.